Hey guys, it's JC. You may know me as JC99 at twitch.tv/JC99. I'll leave a link in the description, as well as my schedule, which is me streaming at Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I was wondering if I should be making this video, and I believe a lot of people have been getting confused if they should make merch or not. And I think now as ever is a good time to make merch, no matter what size you're at, because merch is a way to promote your content or your product. It's not something that you should always wait until you get partnered or affiliate on Twitch at all. You can do merch anytime you want, as long as you're promoting something with it, like you're promoting your YouTube content, your Twitch streaming content, etc. So I'm going to be giving you guys 4 reasons why you should make merch and promote it here on YouTube or on Twitch. Number 1 is the same tip or advice I gave you, is that it promotes your Twitch streams or your YouTube videos. Merch is something that could be placed on a shirt or hoodie or any type of product that that promotes you or is about you. So it's recommended that you make merch or something. And the one place I recommend you to make merch, it's the easiest place to make merch on, and that is streamelements.com. I will be showing you that link in a moment here after I get through with these tips. So another reason why I recommend merch whenever you want to promote your Twitch streams or videos is that it is easy to sign up. Like I said, you can hire a designer or design it yourself and promote the product on your Twitch or YouTube videos. So for me, I hired a designer to make my merch, and I'll show you guys my merch here in just a moment. So you guys can use websites like Streamelements right here. Like I said, Streamelements is recommended to make merch on because it is one of the best ways to get support for yourself as your audience gets something in return. So let's go ahead and click on merch. Now this is all my merch that I have at the moment. More will be published soon, but not a lot of it is on my Streamelements because a majority of it is on teespring.com, which is another site I'll show you here in just a moment. So let's go ahead and go to my store, and this is how it would look like if you were to purchase my merch. I currently have stickers and a mouse pad right now. Stickers are $3 each, and mouse pad is $11.50. So let me show you the process when you do these things. Here's your store. This is $11.50 for the mouse pad, like it says in the store, and I get $2.50 profit. You can always hover over here, the 3 dots, and edit this, and edit the price, edit how much it would be. $20 people pay for that. I get $10.60 with the profit. From what I've been hearing, you get most of the profit on Streamelements. Streamelements give you a lot more profit than any other website from what I've been hearing. You can also start continuing to create new products. I'm gonna create a new one. Let's get started with the tank top. You can upload any image you like. Let's go ahead and upload an image. Okay, so apparently I can't really find much, but I think you'll get the gist of it. It should tell you what size you should do when you upload these. I think you need like a 4,000 by 4,000 pixels or 8,000 by 8,000 pixels to upload these type of designs. Mine is pretty small. I believe this one is like below 2,000 pixels, but be sure it is around 4,000 by 4,000 or 8,000 by 8,000, and the image should be like around this big or something. Not this small, but a little bit bigger than that. This is why I have 2 sites to upload your stuff actually. This site is pretty good when it comes to uploading your merch. Again, I really don't have a lot of designs. A majority of the commissions I've been getting or making are emotes from my artist Mishimu, so that's pretty much it actually. However, there's another site that you guys can use for merch. Just go on over to teespring.com, and I have my own store online here. The reason why I recommend Teespring and Streamelements, well, mainly Teespring, is because Teespring accepts debit, credit, and PayPal. Streamelements only accepts PayPal at the moment, I believe, the last time I heard. But when you go ahead and make a purchase here, there's my banner, JC99's merch, there's my socials and stuff. You guys can purchase my products here. Some of them are quite a bit expensive depending what quality it is and stuff. But let's go ahead and go for the one that's like here, the JC99 Peace Classic Tee. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, which I just did. The best thing about Teespring is that you can select as many colors as you like. So I gave them all the options to select any color they like and buy them if they're interested in it. And plus the design is a lot more bigger on these type of products. I think this is the same size for t-shirts, while for hoodies on Streamelements, it's not the same size. It's a lot smaller for hoodies on Streamelements. So over here, let's go for this hoodie. It's a unisex piece hoodie, and the design is a little bit bigger on here than it would be on Streamelements. So That's why I recommend Teespring, and this is a good way to promote your products. There's also phone cases that I forgot to show you, but here we go. There's a sweater, there's a hoodie, there's the bag, there's the phone case, etc. You can get or make as many as you like here. It's really recommended, honestly, to make merch because it promotes your product, and people can say, oh yeah, I bought this from JC99's merch store on Teespring or on Streamelements. That's one of the main reasons why I recommend you guys to have merch. You really don't have to, but it's a good way to promote your stuff if you like. No one has bought anything from my Teespring site, I believe, but 4 people have bought from Streamelements here, and the money shows up here, the profit and stuff. I've made $12.19 profit. I think they said I can only withdraw once I hit $20 or $25 here, and that's it. And that will withdraw, withdrawal available at $20, and it will automatically be withdrawn to my PayPal. That's how merch works. And my last reason why I believe that merch is very important is that, once again, it supports you as your audience gets something back. So you really don't have to keep on going with it by giving something back to your audience every time they donate or sub to you. I mean, you know, they do it because they want to. It's their choice, and you're not really forced to do something to give something back. But I recommend you give something back when they sub or donate to you. But when they buy your merch, they're getting something back from it, actually. Not only that, but the money also supports you and your streams or YouTube content, so you can get better equipment. But anyways, those are my reasons why I believe merch is very important when it comes to growing your content on Twitch or YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace.